We just arrived at this place, and ow, just burnt my leg on the exhaust. Mimi says that they mill brown rice here. What's that one there? Broke. What's that one broken, guys? Alright. This is broken rice. Don't like his guards, this fella. $5 baht?
Yeah, get on.
What, 1 kilo? That's a small bag compared to the others. That's about 27 kilo.
ทอดแอนว่าถ้าเด็กกะเพราของไม่ก็คือแบบนี้อักเขาอักหลายเนาะเขาไม่ได้ของมันอย่างนี้ New right many broken because cannot be more wide because they are new ว้า
Everything broken.
They broken not really good สมพานอ๋อละกูดด้วยสมพานไรนี่สมพานไรอ๋อนี่ไรแดด not broken ตะวันทุมาด broken เนี่ยสมองเนี่ยเสร็จ
Well, we eat now and come back. Long drive. No, nâng rồi hả? Let's see. Nâng rồi.
they have food ไหลแต่ว่า นอนปันบักลอกกี่อยู่เหียนเลย
Morning everyone. After we dried the rice and went off to the mill, I made a follow-up video while I was in the mill. When I put the sack on the weighing scales, it was 27 kilos, and after we milled it, the rice we got out was 22 kilos, so we'd lost 5 kilo in the milling process. But we decided that we didn't want to have white rice, we want brown rice, which is a lot more beneficial. I don't know why more people around here don't do it. Anyway, here it is. Tastes really good. It's delicious actually, and it's got a good texture to it, a good bite. There's no grass seed in here at all. You want Rocky? Eh? Anyway, my mate David is coming today. I'm going to go off to Buriram later to pick him up from the train station. He's going to stay with me for a few days on his holiday with his best friend he's got in Thailand. Morning everyone. Just bring my series of rice farming videos to a close. I did make some videos after the rice was milled, but I don't know what happened to them. They disappeared. I don't know if I deleted them by accident or not, I'm not sure. But anyway, this is the rice that we've got, that we're left with. Here you can see it's been very lightly milled, and it's a brown rice which still has a good bite to it when it's cooked. I don't like soft rice, which basically is what Jasmine rice is, and the Thai government apparently, in response to what's coming out of Vietnam, investing money into rice research to make it even more softer for some reason. Yeah, so this is Jasmine rice, which is lightly milled and is still brown, and this is what Mimi's mum grew in the field next to the barn. It's a mix of Jasmine rice which has been milled all the way, so it's white with some riceberry mixed in there, and she cut all that by hand, threshed it by hand, etc, etc, etc. Got a couple of sacks out of it. So there you go, two different kinds of rice. It's been cold the last few days, but like see, when the sun's up, it soon warms up. Mimi's birthday was over the weekend. I never filmed anything, but we had a good time. I received an apology at last yesterday from somebody that claimed to be in the army a long time ago, and we've been having a bit of a ding dong over it in recent months. But anyway, he's finally apologised. He's admitted that he did say it, that he was in. So that chapter's closed as far as I'm concerned. It's all I was after anyway, was an apology right from the beginning. But anyway, it's done, and what happened in the past happened in the past. The next thing I've got is to plan and build Mimi's shop. I bought her a machine the other day, an overlock machine for her birthday. Yeah, in fact I'll show you it. Here it is. It's a Jack E3 overlock machine. 4-thread overlocker. Come with a table, It was all installed, built up, and even threaded. Because threading these machines, it's a nightmare. Let's have a look here. Complicated bits of kit, I tell you now. And this swings out of the way of the foot anyway. You press the lever at the back and push it out. But all the threads that go all around here, amazing. Well, that's her set up now. She's got 2 industrial straight stitch sewing machines and an overlock machine. Wonder what's coming next. No idea. Apart from the shop. Don't know when I'll get my camera out again. What temperature we got? 18 degrees. Suppose when the shop starts getting built, I'm going to do it down here. I'm going to raise it up the ground level in the farm area. I'm going to raise it up so it's level with this floor here. So I'm going to take a section of this wall out, put a door in so she can walk in and out the shop. But I'm going to do a wall along the back there, down there, so I can get walking access to the back of the garden. Little wall, make a dwarf wall along that bit, just to retain the soil that we're going to need to bring it higher. Have a bit of a slope going down to cement all that, so there'll be a car parking space. And the shop's going to be in this area here. Got to think about water drainage. Obviously it's going to be higher level here, so I've got to do something there so the water doesn't go into that barn, but I'll have an overhang from the shop going to the top of the barn there, so very little rainwater will come down and it will slope that way and to the back. And then I'm going to put a toilet in a room in a shop, so I'm going to have dig out a cesspit somewhere in that area over there. But we'll see. I need to get the wall built first, plan that out. Like I say, drainage is important. Nothing that can't be overcome. Waiting for these to pop their heads up. I put some butjalokia chili seeds in here. Right, from a cool sunny Thailand, that'll do me for now. Catch you later. Bye bye.